Did the coil separate?
Done.
All right. I'll get it. Okay, looks good. I like the way you got that set. That's a good idea. Just some acrylic.
Yeah.
Separate them. It's a good. It's simple but works. I mean, you got an isolator. Okay. Awesome. Yeah. Sorry about the subbing. I mean, was there a problem with it, or just started this demo? Nope. Man.
I wasn't expecting that at all.
Dang. Did you do your whole install yourself?
Yep. Everything myself.
Okay. Wow. Your name and what all's in here, man?
My name's Brian Miller. I have a single DV18 on a 3500 Audio Legion.
Okay. Nice. What is this sub rated at?
3500, I believe.
Okay. The 3-inch voice coil, 300. Okay.
Yeah.
And what is the amp wire to then?
It's wired to 1.
You did a lot of work.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's wired.
Yeah. Has it helped a lot?
It actually made me quieter.
Quieter, really?
Yeah.
So stop flex helps sometimes, not always.
Yep,
okay.
exactly. So.
You might have got louder in one area, but not all areas. So.
Right.
Yeah.
Exactly. So.
Did your peak change too? How are you peaking?
Yeah, it did change. It went up almost 2 to 3 dBs.
Yes, sir. All right. Did the coil separate?
Done.
Were you expecting that? That's not good.
Not at all. Not at all. I haven't even been demoing. I did one demo earlier, and that was it.
Did the sub? I guess the coil separate, maybe? That didn't sound so good. That was not good.
Nope. It's a recone, anyways. I mean,
that's not good. I'm sorry, dude. I wasn't expecting.
Hey, it happens. It happens.
Right? Yeah.
I guess.
Yep. It's all right.
Better to have it happen to you.
Yeah. Hey, nice to meet you, man. I'm sorry for the bad. Are you sure it's blown though?
I don't know.
Try to turn it up a little bit. Don't put it up too much, and we'll see if it makes that sound still. Yeah, something separating in it. Dang. I got some pictures too, so sorry about that.
Dang, it happens, bro.
It happens, yeah.
It happens.
Pulling up like a